Have you ever wanted to make money on YouTube, but hate the idea of being on camera? What if you could build a successful channel without ever showing your face? Welcome to the world of faceless YouTube channels. Here, you create engaging videos using stock footage, animations, text, and voiceover. No camera needed. Tools like InVideo AI make it easy. You write the script, the AI builds the video. This is perfect for introverts, privacy lovers, or anyone not ready for the spotlight. You can share your passion, history, science, finance, anything, right from your computer. In this guide, I'll show you how to pick a profitable topic, set up your channel, write scripts, use InVideo AI, and get your first video online. Ready to start your faceless YouTube journey? Let's dive in. Your first big decision, picking a niche, can make or break your channel's success. It's not just about what you want to talk about, but also about what people are searching for and what advertisers are willing to pay for. This step sets the tone for everything that follows, so take your time and think it through. A niche is your channel's main topic, the central theme that ties all your videos together. It's what viewers will come to expect from you, and what will help you stand out in a crowded space. Think of it as your channel's identity. The sweet spot is finding a niche that people are actively searching for, but also one that genuinely excites you. If you're passionate about your topic, it'll show in your content and keep you motivated for the long haul. Remember, you'll be spending a lot of time researching, scripting, and editing videos on this subject. Some of the most profitable niches on YouTube include personal finance, technology, health, and business. These topics attract high advertiser interest, which means higher ad rates and more revenue potential for you. If you're interested in these areas, you're already off to a great start. But don't overlook other great options like history, psychology, top 10 lists, guided meditations, and story summaries. These niches have dedicated audiences and can be very rewarding, both creatively and financially. The key is to find a topic with a loyal following and room for fresh content. Start by researching. Search YouTube for faceless channels in your potential niche. Look at what's working for others, what types of videos get the most views, and how often new content is being uploaded. This will give you a sense of the competition and the demand. If you find channels with lots of views and engagement, that's a strong indicator that there's an audience hungry for this content. High view counts mean people are interested, and that's exactly what you want. Don't be afraid of competition. In fact, competition is a good thing. It means there's a proven audience and money to be made. Your unique perspective or style can help you carve out your own space. Next, brainstorm video ideas. Can you easily come up with 50 different video topics within your niche? If you struggle to reach that number, your niche might be too narrow or too specific. You want a topic broad enough to allow for plenty of content, but focused enough to attract a dedicated audience. Also, consider how you'll make money beyond ads. Are there opportunities for affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or offering online courses? Multiple income streams can make your channel much more sustainable in the long run. Most importantly, ask yourself, are you genuinely excited to start creating content in this niche? Your enthusiasm will keep you going when things get tough and help you connect with your audience. The best niche is one that balances profitability, your personal interest, and a steady flow of content ideas. It's about finding that intersection where you can thrive creatively and financially. Remember, this decision is the foundation of your channel. Take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. A strong foundation will support your growth for years to come. Once you've chosen your niche, you're ready to move forward and start building your channel's future. Let's dive into the next step. It's time to build your channel from the ground up. This is where your YouTube journey truly begins, and every detail you set up now will help shape your channel's identity and future growth. First, you'll need a Google account. If you already have one, consider creating a new account dedicated just to your YouTube channel. This keeps your personal and professional lives separate and makes managing your channel much easier as you grow. Once you're signed in, head over to YouTube. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Create a Channel. This is your first official step toward becoming a creator. Now, it's time to choose your channel name. Pick something that's simple, memorable, and clearly reflects your niche or the type of content you plan to make. Avoid using numbers or special symbols. they can make your channel harder to find and remember. Take your time brainstorming. Your name is your brand's first impression. Next, design a logo. You don't need to be a graphic designer. Free tools like Canva make it easy to create a professional-looking logo in minutes. Remember, your logo should be simple, recognizable, and work well even at small sizes. No need for selfies or personal photos. Focus on a design that represents your channel's theme. Your channel banner is like a billboard for your brand. Design a banner that instantly tells viewers what your channel is about, and consider adding your upload schedule or a tagline. This helps new visitors know what to expect and when to come back for more. Don't skip the About section. Write a clear, concise description that explains who you are, what your channel offers, and why viewers should subscribe. Use keywords related to your niche to help people find your channel through search. Add a business email address. This makes it easy for potential sponsors, collaborators, or fans to reach out to you as your channel grows. It's a small step that can open big doors in the future. The way your channel looks and the information you provide not only attract viewers, but also help YouTube understand who your content is for, making it easier for the platform to recommend your videos to the right audience. With your digital home set up and looking sharp, you're ready to start creating content that connects with your audience. Keep your channel professional, organized, and always focused on providing value to your viewers. Consistency and clarity are key. Remember, strong branding matters, even for faceless channels. A cohesive look builds trust and makes your channel stand out. Now that your channel is ready, let's move on to scripting your very first video and bringing your ideas to life. Your script is your video's backbone. For faceless channels, your words are everything. So keep them clear, simple, and conversational. Structure. Start with a hook to grab attention, deliver your main points, and end with a call to action. Example, hook. Did you know some Roman emperors were so bizarre, their stories sound made up? Break your main content into 4 key points or sections. Write like you talk, read it out loud to check for flow. End with a clear call to action. Ask viewers to subscribe, like, or comment. Short sentences and natural language keep viewers engaged. Don't overthink, just aim for clarity and value. A good script keeps people watching to the end. Now let's turn your script into a video. Here's where the magic happens. Turning your script into a video with InVideo AI. Sign up, paste your script, and choose your voiceover style. Add instructions like documentary style, or use dramatic footage for better results. Hit generate. The AI finds stock clips, adds text, and creates a voiceover. In minutes, you get a draft video. No filming or editing skills needed. Review the video. The AI does most of the work, but you add the finishing touches. Swap out any clips that don't fit, adjust text, and tweak the voiceover as needed. The built-in editor is simple and intuitive. This blend of AI and your input creates professional, faceless videos fast. Next, let's polish your video for maximum impact. Editing is where your video goes from good to great. Watch your draft all the way through. Note any visuals that don't match the script. Replace generic clips with more specific, relevant footage using InVideo's search. Check on-screen text for typos and readability. Adjust font, size, and placement. Keep text minimal. Highlight only key points. Listen to the voiceover. Fix any awkward pacing or mispronunciations. Adjust audio levels for clarity. Don't clutter the screen. Let visuals and narration work together. Small tweaks make a big difference in professionalism. When you're happy, export your polished video. Now, it's time to share it with the world. Uploading is more than just clicking a button. It's about getting noticed. Click Create on YouTube, upload your video, and fill in the details. Craft a title that uses keywords and sparks curiosity. Think, weirdest emperors of ancient Rome. Write a description, start with a keyword-rich summary, then add more details or even your script. Add relevant hashtags at the end, like #history or #ancient Rome. Create a custom thumbnail using Canva. Make it bright, bold, and easy to read even when small. Thumbnails and titles are your first impression. Make them count. Double-check everything before publishing. Good optimization helps YouTube recommend your video to more viewers. Consistency in titles, descriptions, and thumbnails build your brand. Hit publish, and you're live. Next, let's talk about making money. ready to earn from your channel. The YouTube Partner Program pays you for ads once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Consistency and quality content are key to reaching those milestones. But you don't have to wait. Start with affiliate marketing by recommending products in your niche and adding links in your descriptions. As you grow, you can land sponsorships or sell your own digital products like ebooks or templates. The more value you provide, the more ways you can monetize. Focus on building trust and an engaged audience. Monetization is a natural next step when you deliver great content. Explore multiple income streams for stability. Your channel can become a real business. Let's wrap up with your action plan. You now have the blueprint for launching your very own Faceless YouTube channel, and you're equipped with the essential steps to get started. It's normal to feel a mix of excitement and nerves at this stage, but remember, every successful creator started right where you are now. From choosing a niche that excites you, to brainstorming video ideas, scripting, and finally publishing your first video, every part of this journey is within your reach. You don't need fancy equipment or years of experience, just a willingness to learn and take action. Don't wait for everything to be perfect. Your first video doesn't have to be flawless. The most important thing is to start. Each upload is a step forward, and you'll improve with every video you make. Commit to your chosen niche, set up your channel with care, write your script, use tools like InVideo AI to streamline your editing, and upload your content. These steps, repeated consistently, will build your skills and confidence. The hardest part is often just getting started. But once you take that leap and hit publish for the first time, you'll find that momentum begins to build naturally. With each new video, you'll notice your editing, storytelling, and confidence all improving. Growth comes with practice, and every creator's journey is unique. Consistency and patience are your best friends. Set a realistic upload schedule and stick to it, even when progress feels slow. Over time, your efforts will compound. The tools and knowledge you need are right here, and there's an audience out there waiting for your unique perspective and creativity. Take action today. Don't let self-doubt hold you back. Your journey as a YouTube creator truly begins the moment you decide to start. Remember, you don't need to show your face to make a real impact. Your voice, ideas, and creativity are more than enough to inspire and connect with viewers. Share your passion, help others learn something new, and start building your own online success story. One video at a time. The only thing missing is your first step. So go for it. Your future as a creator is waiting.